Hi everybody, welcome back. It is time today to update you on my Mini Madness project pan that I'm doing. I didn't get to update last month, but quite honestly, if I would have updated last month, not a lot had changed. But this month, we have a lot going on. So it's a good time to go ahead and update you on this. Down below in the description box, I will leave a link to the last Mini Madness, which was the intro video showing you what was included. I will also leave the playlist to last year's Mini Madness if you want to see that and how I did on that one. Also down below there, my girl Leyla is doing this project as well, so I will leave a link to her channel. Make sure you go show her some love and see what she's doing for her Mini Madness. But without much ado, let's get into this. So, first, we're going to start off with what we have going on, what's still hanging on, and then we'll move on to what we finished and what we added. The things we still have going on strong. This is the Origins Original Skin Retexturizing Mask with Rose Clay. I didn't use this at all. I feel so bad. So this is still full, but I will use this. I love Origins products, and I really do want to give this one a try. Next up is the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. This will probably still be with us till the end of this month. April is when the new mascaras roll in. I buy new mascara every 3 months regardless, so I purchase it 4 times a year. So this one will be with us until March the 31st, and then April 1st it will be gone. And next up, I'm really kind of surprised with myself and actually kind of excited. This is the Cora Organics. This is the Noni Glow Face Oil. And I am way down here. I know I can't unfortunately pull in a little further to really show you that, but I am way down here. I have almost finished this. So that's everything that is still going strong. That's it. 3 products. 7 we have finished and we're rolling in. We may have not finished 7 completely, but we have 7 regardless. So let's go. First thing I used up completely was the HelloFab Coconut Micellar Makeup Melter from First Aid Beauty. I didn't really like this that much, which is sad because this is like the only product from First Aid Beauty I can say that I'm kind of meh about. Usually their products I love. I really do. I think they're a great skincare company. But this just didn't cut it for me. It didn't melt off as much as I need to. I was just kind of meh on this, but I did finish it up. Next was the Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. I have used these before. I actually enjoy this particular eye cream. I think it's a really good one. It's really moisturizing for, under the delicate part of your eye. It doesn't do anything leaps and bounds. It's definitely no Belief Aqua Bomb. I'll give it that. It's no Belief Aqua Bomb, but it's not bad. But I did finish this little guy. Speaking of Belief, next up was the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. I liked this, but honestly, for me, it's too heavy. I have normal skin. It can get a little dry in the wintertime. I felt that it just kind of sat on and my skin really couldn't absorb it because it was just so thick and moisturizing, and I was using very little. But I think that if you have very dry skin, this is some good stuff. I don't think you would be disappointed. I say if you get a chance and you have really dry skin, to get a sample of this and give this a try, because this was, I think, is a really good moisturizer. It's just too thick for me. And next up was my little Gimme product, which was the Living Proof Nourishing No Frizz Nourishing Oil. It's just a little foil packet of it. But this is such good stuff, and it smells so good. And it really is very nourishing, but at the same time doesn't give you kind of like that greasy hair texture feel. Like it soaks in so good. And I did also finish the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Pore Perfecting Primer. But I don't know what I did with the tube. I don't know if I tossed it or if it just disappeared. I don't know where it went. But I did finish that, and to be quite honest, I don't really feel like it did anything for my pores. I think it's pretty pricey for not really performing as well as it should have. It's not something I would ever purchase. But I did finish it all up just in the sake of using it. I just don't know what I did with the packaging. And the last 2 to round it up, they've just got to go. The first one here, and I should have known this. This is the Briogeo Blossom and Boom Ginseng and Biotin Volumizing Spray. If I remember correctly, I have gotten products from Briogeo before, and I do not care for their products. I'm very particular and picky about my hair care products. And this one, it honestly made my hair crunchy. It really did. It kind of made it crunchy. I felt like it put a weird texture on my hair. My hair really doesn't need a whole lot of volume to begin with. It has a pretty good amount of it on its own, but I just didn't like the texture that this gave to my hair, and so I was like, nope, you have got to go. And then next up is the Makeup Forever lip color, and this one is in the shade C211. I thought I would like this. I thought this would be a really good me color on my lips, but better, because it honestly looks like a lot of colors that I wear. But upon applying it, it almost has a frosty purple cast to it. Now, not that I have a problem with shades that have a little bit of purple in them, because those look okay on me, but when they kind of have that frostier look, more as opposed to like more of a deeper plum look, they do not flatter me at all. This one kind of has that, not very flattering on me at all. I'm going to pass this off to somebody who I know likes it, because I actually only put it on my lips twice. So this one is just a no for me. It's got to go, because I know I'm not going to wear it. And since we rolled those 7 out, let me roll the next 7 in. First up, from Lancome, this is the Bifacial Double Action Eye Makeup Remover. I always like to have one of those. From Beauty Blender, we have a little mini solid, and this is the Beauty Blender Pro one, so this is the charcoal infused, which is good because I just ran out of my solid. So I need this one to kind of be in place there for a little while. From Laneige, we have the Water Sleeping Mask. I'm really excited to try this because I live by the lip sleeping mask. So I'm really excited to give the Water Sleeping Mask a try. From Living Proof, this is the Restore Perfecting Detangling Spray. My hair doesn't tangle up too much, but sometimes it can. So it's a good leave-in conditioner. It's living proof. I'm going to use it. And I'm adding another primer to the mix because I always love adding a primer to the mix. And this is a pretty small amount, so this will probably go pretty quick. This is from Too Faced. This is the Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer that is infused with peach and sweet fig cream. This is the by Amuse Bouge, and this is in the shade Rhubarb, which this one, like the Makeup Forever, kind of has that purple color to it. But this is a deeper plum and doesn't have like that frosty lilac. Love this color. So got this mini. Won't be hard to get that used up. And last but not least, rounding it out, I've been dying to use this forever. This is the Tatcha, the Silk Canvas Primer, because, you know, like I said, I'm extra. I use a lot of primers. Be so happy to finally give this one a try. See if it's worth the hype. See if this one's coming after my pocketbook. And so that's it. That's what I have for you today in this round 2 of the Mini Madness. Once again, I of course want to thank you as always for spending a little bit of your time with me today. I truly, truly do appreciate it. Make sure you definitely open up that description box. Check out some of the old Mini Madness videos to get caught up. Also make sure to check out Lena's channel. Show her some love in her Mini Madness project. And of course, before you leave, make sure that you are subscribe to my channel. You definitely don't want to miss out on any videos that I have coming up. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.